Number 15. Gardening and urban farming. You don't need acres of land to start a profitable gardening business. Even a small backyard, balcony, or rooftop can turn into a green cash machine. Step 1. Choose high-demand crops. Microgreens, herbs like basil or mint, leafy greens, or small vegetables are perfect. Fast-growing, high-value, and always in demand. Restaurants, local markets, and even health-conscious individuals are constantly looking for fresh, quality produce. Step 2. Grow efficiently. Use pots, raised beds, or vertical gardening systems to maximize space. Microgreens can be grown indoors in small trays, herbs in vertical racks, and vegetables in compact raised beds. The trick is to keep production consistent and healthy. Quality sells faster than quantity. Step 3. Sell your harvest. Local restaurants love fresh herbs and greens. Subscription boxes love curated produce, and neighbors or friends will gladly pay for convenient, fresh food. For example, a single tray of microgreens can sell for $20 to $50 weekly, and multiple trays quickly add up to a steady income. Start small, reinvest your profits, and scale gradually. Add more trays, expand your product range, or partner with local stores. Soon, what started as a hobby in your backyard becomes a thriving urban farm business. Fresh, local, and profitable. So if this hustle sounds like your kind of start, don't stop here. There are 19 more just like it, each one packed with fresh, real-world money ideas. Check out the full video, 20 side hustles to start in 2026, right here on the channel. You'll find the one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your future. Comment if this hustle resonates with you or the challenges you are facing. Like, share, and subscribe for more business content.